pueden ser usados en modo vuelo. Por favor, o guárdenlo en un bolsillo. Si alguno de sus dispositivos electrónicos o su batería sufre.
Excited.
Señores y señores pasajeros, tipo de avión.
We are staying in a really nice hotel and we're going to do some really nice things, so we're going to take you guys with us. I've had literally an hour and a half sleep, guys had no sleep, so hopefully we can get some sleep on the flight. Guys, sleeping. I'm watching Working Moms. Looks lovely. We are here and we are in the hotel. I'll give you a little sort of hotel room tour. We have the bathroom. It's got a shower, sink and a toilet and a lovely mirror here. Then as you come through the hallway, you've got some bits there, TV, and then the bed. This is our view. Really lovely. We've got a sea view. And you can see everywhere else, and then the pool is just the other side, I think, and then that's the restaurant down there. We're gonna go down now and we're going to go to the pool for a little bit.
Ready for dinner.
Looking lovely. We're just taking some pictures and videos before my hair completely drops out, because I know it's going to drop out very quickly. It's 8:10, so we're gonna go for dinner very soon. Hello guys, it is day 2. We are at Las Rocas Beach Club today. It is so lovely. We are going for lunch at 3:30. That's the only time we can book it for. Hello guys, it is night 2. This is my outfit. It's just from White Fox. Can I show you your outfit? We are just about to go for dinner now. It was so lovely today though, and we had such a good time, didn't we, Kai?
Yeah.
Any other words?
I think I've burnt my belly button.
And guys, it is day 3. Just gonna go down to the pool today. This is my outfit. I've got a matching bikini on underneath, so it's not just really random leaf bottoms. This is night 3's outfit. It's from That's So Fetch. This little pink outfit. It has like an open back. Very, very nice. We are about to leave to go for dinner. This is Kai's outfit. We'll see you all tomorrow for day 4. Don't actually know what we're going to do yet, so we'll have to decide in the morning. Good morning, guys. It is day 4, and today, well, this morning I woke up and all my lips are burnt, so that's nice. They really hurt. But today we're going to go to the beach. We are at the beach now. We've been here for about half an hour. It's so hot, but we're just chilling out. We've bought some food. We bought just a baguette, a ham, an alioli, and that's actually it, and then just some Ruffles, which are my favourite crisps. So we'll have them at lunchtime, but it's like 12:15 now, I think. I'm going to get in the sea in a little bit, and I'm going to show you guys our view of what it looks like right now, because it is unreal. Look at this. Here is lunch: the ham, Ruffles, alioli, and bread. Kai's just making it now. He's just doing his. We've been in the sea. Really nice. It's a little place, I'll show you in a second, which we don't know what it is. We might have a look to see what it is. Good morning, everyone. It is a good day today. Today is Science Park Day and we are very excited. I'm going to take you guys down to breakfast this morning so you can see what breakfast is like for us. This bit here is salad, and this is all like the bacon, eggs and stuff. Around here are the sausages and the beans. Kai's favourite waffles, and just more of the same over there. Some beans, bacon, hash browns and sausage. Kai's got basically the same, but he's got an egg. And then the smaller sausages, and then potato things there. Two pancakes, 2 waffles, and what was that, a pastry? This is mine. 1 waffle, 1 pancake with a bit of Nutella, and half of peach. We're going back to the room to get our stuff, and then we're gonna go to Siren Park. We've come to realise how many steps there are here. I've well and truly made our money's worth of food. Kai's got literally everything he can get. Bread, chips, chicken, pizza, more chicken and a burger. I've just got chicken, chips and pizza. Look at the size of this pizza, guys. It's the size of my head. We are going to the wave pool now, and after that we're gonna go Lazy River. We are now on the Lazy River. We have just done the wave pool. It was Kai's first time. I done it when I was really young. What do you think, Kai?
It's bigger than I thought it would be, actually.
It was good, wasn't it?
It was good though, it was a good surprise.
We're about to go down the rapids on the Lazy River. We are back from Siren Park now. We're going for dinner, and then I think we're going to go out afterwards. Just Dad wants us to go to a place to do a centre force. Hello guys, it is day I don't actually know. We've got 2 days until we're leaving. Maybe it's day 5. And we're about to go for dinner in the hotel, like a nice dinner. This is my outfit. This is from White Fox, and then these shoes are just from Pretty Little Thing, I think. Dinner is literally, where we're going is down there in the little extra bit. Tomorrow we're going to go to the beach again. We're going to go to a different beach, one that Nan and Grandad recommended. See you tomorrow because we're going to go down and eat lots of food now. Good morning everyone. It is Friday today, which means it is our last full day, which is very sad. But I'll let you know what we're going to be doing today, as we have a lot going on today. We're going to the beach today. When we're there, the Winchester, which is has the viral mozzarella sticks, is at the end of like the beach strip or whatever it's called. So I think we're going to go there for lunch. We're also going to try and get on jet ski today. And then this evening, we have booked to go out for dinner. I couldn't get a reservation until 10:15, but we're going to go to a place called Limonella, which is like a 10-minute drive away. But before that, we're going to go to Chill Box, which we haven't done yet, which is like a cocktail slushy place. We have got beds on the beach. It's really, really windy today for some reason. Nice?
Yeah, it's actually quite nice.
We have just been on jet skis. I couldn't take my phone, which is really annoying. We are now walking to the Winchester. Hopefully we can get in because we've not booked it. So you have to wait and see if we actually can get in. We got in. Got my drink. There's performers. Guys, look how big this burger is. We are now walking back to the hotel.
Oh my god, it's so hot.
We just chilled out. Kai fell asleep. I could not get to sleep. I don't know why. But we are now going to go back to the hotel, start getting ready for dinner. So we're going to go to Chill Box before. We are back and we've showered, and I'm just about to start doing my hair. We've got about an hour until we want to be ready. And then I've given myself some time to film some content and take some photos. My hair and makeup is now done. Me and Kai have both saved our best outfits for the last night, so I'm going to put mine on now. We are doing our final night outfits. This is mine. This dress is from White Fox. And then I'm wearing the same shoes as last night from Pretty Little Thing. Go on then, Kai, do yours. Where's it all from?
Zara.
We are going to head off to dinner now. And it's like an Italian. It's meant to be really nice in there, so we'll see. I'm gonna try it now. That's nice actually. It's our last day today and we are about to go down for breakfast. Last night I forgot to film, but we had a really nice dinner, didn't we? What are you laughing at? We had a really nice dinner. We both couldn't eat all of it. And then we came straight back here and we started packing up the rooms. We're basically actually all done. I've got the suitcase packed here. I've got my clothes to put on after, my shoes, kind of stuff is there. And we're just going to go down for breakfast now and then come up and take our stuff early just because it's done. Got a tan. Miss you. We're going to check out and then we're going to go and sit by the pool for a bit before we need to get ready to leave. Let's go.